Hello, my name is Carmichael, Global Educator in Styling for Aveda, and I'm super excited to be talking to you about our new Botanical Repair Bond Building Flash Treatment. You're going to shampoo and condition, of course, with Botanical Repair. Then you're going to follow with this flash treatment for just 10 seconds. We're going to apply this super quickly, just by starting through the top of the head and just zigzagging down. You can cut the hair in your hands and then just squeeze that product in. You can see how easily this just combs through the hair. In just 10 seconds, we're going to see the hair 2 times stronger, 2 times smoother in just a flash. There we go, 10 seconds. We have rinsed Nico's hair now after the 10 seconds. We're going to now blow dry this off. That's what's going to help us get that light reflection in the shine that we're looking for. Now we've finished the blow dry, we can really see that level of shine, but we've still got that really lightweight finish to the hair. So it moves easily, there's no heaviness or greasiness to the hair whatsoever.